My bank account may be getting smaller, but at least my wardrobe is getting bigger, and I think that serves a higher purpose in life. I know you can see that peaking, but that's because I bought a bunch of things from New Me's Black Friday sale where it was like buy one, get one free. And I thought, what better way to splurge than get the cutest fits? And you asked for it, and that's what I'm here for. Give you guys a massive haul on everything I bought. Also, New Me, if you're watching, anybody from New Me, please sponsor me. I'm just a girl and I love shopping. So if you're interested, keep on watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe and comment which your favorite piece is. So let's get on with the haul. For starters, if you're curious, this is the massive damage I've caused.
Ew, this is so cringe. Guilty.
I've lost a lot of bucks, but I feel like all of this is worth it because I love shopping. And I feel like shopping fulfills me in a way nobody else can. As much as I'm for like tiny tops and I love them, I wear them all the time, I have lately been obsessed with like cardigan sweater, like the knit sweater type of vibe. Obsessed because they're so cute and they're like very girly, and I think in my girly era where I like dressing up very cutesy, you know. And so I decided I'm about to splurge on cardigan sweaters.
I'm about to beat this bitch up.
And that's what I did. I got these two really cute sweaters. There's this one. It's like a color block type of vibe. Obsessed. Actually the cutest thing in the world. I love it. It's oversized, amazing, and it was a need. While I was at it, I got this pink one. It has hearts all over it. It's so girly, but I think it's so cute that I needed to have it. Like I had to have it, and I have two of them now. In Bombay, it doesn't get as chilly, but I'll find an excuse to wear it whenever. However, but these two will not be wasted. I've always been like a high-waisted baggy jean type of girl, but you know what? As time is passing by, I have been obsessed with low-waisted baggy jeans. I don't know what it is about it. I think it adds so much. Like if you wear like a full like long top with baggy jeans, or like a baby tee with like low-waisted baggy jeans, it's a fit. It's so Y2K, and honestly, everybody looks good in it. So I was like, why the hell have I not had it? So that's what I did. I got myself a pair of low-waisted baggy jeans. It's like an acid grey wash type of thing. It is huge on me. The waist is 30, like a 26, 28. But they didn't have it available, but I just needed these. So I got it. The bag has been secured and I can't wait to wear it with everything. If you see me wearing it like multiple times, ignore it. Yeah. Okay, so in terms of skirts, I have a lot of dressy skirts or like short skirts. I don't have like skirts that you can wear anywhere and everywhere, and it's just not too much, but it adds something. This is her. She's really cute. I don't know it would be this material. It's my fault for not reading the material. I think this is workable and I'm excited to wear this. So I got it in black, obviously, because black goes with everything. So there's this. On the same note of loving baby tees, for some reason I have been obsessed with long tops. I don't know what it is about them. I think they're so dainty, so girly, so my vibe. I think my style is changing a lot from wearing like cropped top, more so like long top, like baggy jeans. I think I'm maturing or growing, if you will. Anyway, to the point, this is her. She is like a baby pink, and I feel like a proper diva in this. I feel like a cutesy little angel. Like it's so cute. I love the lace, I love the bow details. It's totally my vibe. Along with that, I rewatched TVD for the 100 millionth time. I keep going back to the 2010s type of shows. And so I saw this top and I was like, I need to have it because it's the long top with like a little bit of lace and a tie-up vibe. And I was like, this screams me, or like what I want to be. So I got her. It's so pretty. Like the details, gorgeous. I don't have a lot of dressy top. Like I wanted something that was comfortable but looks a little dressy. When I saw this, it looked really good on the model and I am praying that it looks good on me. But this is the top. I don't know, I think my vibe is very lacy recently. It's asymmetrical. I hope it looks good on me. So lastly, what I wanted was like a basic tee but a long sleeve one which like hugs me really well for like my low-waisted jeans. So yeah, I got it. I've seen a lot of people wear it, but I think it's longer than I expected and it's giving very gym vibes, so maybe I'll wear it at the gym. Let's hope it looks good on me. So That was all I got from this sale. I am very happy with almost everything I got. Actually, every single thing that I got, and I'll be wearing it multiple times. I think it was a steal. It was totally worth it. And I hope you guys enjoy this haul because I love shopping. It's my form of therapy. Retail therapy is the only thing that can fix my void. And it did. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you like, share and subscribe. I love you. I'll see you in my next video.